Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's David Kraus. I am your host. My wife Brooke usually is out here with me, but she's not today. Lovely day, sun, shade, back and forth. Perfect brown trout weather. Being that the water clarity is not the greatest, I'll be throwing probably quite a bit of this jerkbait. This is a Rapala X-Rap rainbow trout pattern. And now I guess we'll get into what all of you came here to watch, and that's some big browns. Let's do it. Oh, yes! Oh my goodness! Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down. Stay down, boy. Oh my. Tank of a brown. Tank of a brown. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Yes, yes. Stay away from that log. Stay away from that log. Oh, huge brown. Huge brown. Easy, boy. Oh, man. Oh. Big fish, big fish. Hand over the net, hand over the net. Oh, my goodness. Thick fish. Wow. Wow. Oh, that was awesome the way he chased it, too. Awesome, awesome fish. Just a huge, thick. Just a huge, thick brown. Huge creek brown. Just a beast. Brown trout right here in the creek. This is awesome. Doesn't get much better than that. Man, that's awesome. That is so awesome. Oh, I'm not gonna get. There he goes, right over there. Boom. Whew, my camera's soaked. I don't even care. Oh man, that was so cool. Love catching those huge browns. Oh, so awesome. Yes. These guys are ambush predators. So anytime you got a spot where they can... Oh, right, there's one, there's one. Yep. Oh, shoot, came off. Ah, shoot. He's gone. As I was just saying, they're ambush predators. So anytime you can swing your bait past the spot where they can lay in wait, like underneath that brush right there in the shade, bring your bait down through the current, they'll come out and hammer it. Of course, couldn't keep that one hooked, but still cool. Nice little 14, 15 incher. Well, that's all for me today, folks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like the content, and I'll see you in the next video.